Gutchy? We're at the beach. Where's the boardwalk? Why would they have a Starbucks here? It's just like eating away at all the mom and pop's coffee. There's no signs to the beach. I don't know which way to go. And everyone's like looking at me weird that I've got my shoes off. It's a beach town. There's no boardwalk. Where do I cross? They wanted $6 for a scoop of vanilla. Is there an arcade somewhere? The Golden Pear. I want to see if this place has a funnel cake. This place doesn't have funnel cake. Sandwiches are $14. None of the stores here say no shirt, no shoes, no service. So I'm thinking like if I just go tarps off. If you want to go to the beach, you go all the way down. Down there, I just hitchhike. Oh yeah? Oh, whoa, nice, all right. Can you take me to the beach? Do they have a roller coaster there? You have a house out here? You do? Oh, whoa. I heard they have sharks out there. They actually have sharks? No. I've been down to the Jersey Shore a couple times, but like they don't have sharks there. Maybe you know what it is? I think the sharks just like, they like the taste of rich people better probably. I'm just kidding. That was just a joke. You're a member at a golf club? That probably costs a lot of money to join a golf club too, right? $300,000 to join a golf club. Instead of spending that money on the house, you might as well just live on the golf course. I'm sure some people do that. There's a cop behind us. Do you think you saw me hitchhiking? The cheapest thing they have is a lobster roll for $36. They don't even have fried Oreos.